What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the XLookUp function in Microsoft Excel. XLookUp is a powerful successor to the older VLookUp and XLookUp functions, designed to overcome many of their limitations. It offers greater flexibility, since it doesn't require the lookup value to be in the first column or row. Plus, it allows you to specify a default value if a match isn't found, avoiding the typical not available error. Let's start with how to use XLookUp for a vertical lookup. This is perfect if your data is organized into vertical columns. XLookUp allows you to search for a value within a column and return a corresponding value from another column. Here's a step-by-step guide to it. Start by typing your function equals XLookUp open brackets to begin. Enter the lookup value. This is the value you want to find. Specify the lookup array. This is where Excel will search for the value you entered. Enter the return array. This is the range from which Excel will pull the corresponding value. Now, close your formula with the parentheses and press Enter. Excel will then display the corresponding value for the value you searched for. Now, let's see how to use XLookUp for horizontal lookup, which is useful when your data is organized in rows instead of columns. Start by typing your function equals XLookUp open parentheses. Enter the lookup value. This is the value you want to find. Specify the lookup array. This is where Excel will search for the value you've entered. Enter the return array. This is the range from which Excel will pull the corresponding value. Complete the formula and hit Enter to find the corresponding value associated with the value you originally searched for. And that's how to use the XLookUp function in Microsoft Excel. XLookUp simplifies searching data, whether vertically or horizontally, eliminating the need to position your lookup value in a specific spot. It's versatile, easy to use, and an essential tool for anyone looking to enhance their Excel skills. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.